Hello everyone, HMT here, bringing you a short video today on multiplying with negatives. The purpose behind this video is to demonstrate an airtight method for showing why a positive times a negative should be a negative, and why a negative times a negative should be a positive. And we start here. Do you agree that 3 subtract 3 is 0? That's pretty clear. Let's work with this. That means that 3 plus negative 3 would be 0. And now I'll multiply on both sides by a positive number, like 4, for example. So the left side would be 4 times 3 plus negative 3 equals, and I'm required to multiply on the right side by 4 as well. So on the left side, I'm going to multiply through by my 4 using the distributive property of real numbers. And that gives you 4 times 3 plus 4 times negative 3 equals 0, because 4 times 0 is 0. Now, multiplication between positive numbers is very well defined. We already know it's positive. That's fine. Now, 12 plus whatever this product is must add to 0. There's no escaping it. 12 plus something is 0. The only way you can get from 12 to 0 is by removing 12 from it. So a positive times a negative must be a negative. It's forced. There's no doubt about it. Now let's look at a negative times a negative using the same idea. Let's start with 3 minus 3 equals 0. That's an agreed fact. Then we'll modify that slightly and say 3 plus negative 3 equals 0 would follow. Now we'll multiply on both sides, this time by negative 4. Multiply on both sides of our equation by negative 4. Now I'm going to use the distributive property again and multiply through the square brackets by negative 4. So that's going to give you negative 4 times 3 plus negative 4 times negative 3 equals 0 again, because anything times 0 is 0. Well, we just learned, just saw a demonstration, we were reminded that a negative times a positive is a negative, so this will be negative 12. Plus something gives you 0. So what would you add to negative 12 to get 0? There's no doubt about it, you have to add positive 12 to negative 12 to get 0. So it's forced that a negative times a negative must be a positive. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have suggestions for topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, leave those in the comments below. Thank you very much.